can't adjust the car to that driver.
Yeah, he's
the most inconsistent person ever. KAsh.
He's here.
But he also has 5 different people telling him 5 different things.
I'm really impressed though, because like used to I'd be like, hey, don't hit the gas when we go from here to here because it throws the belt down in the driven. And they're like, don't hit the gas. Okay. And I'm like, I got it. But he hasn't done it at all here lately.
Yeah, till now.
Good.
You've done it.
Yeah, Dad.
You're gonna do it
Yeah,
next
now
time.
he's gonna do it. Hi,
You
Dad.
know what the deal is though? You can go for a little back.
No.
My daddy would say, "What are you doing, Zach? Slapping on the brakes?" I'm getting my tires hot. It runs better when the tires are hot.